हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सभी? आई होप आप सभी अच्छे होंगे। तो आज का टॉपिक है एरिया ऑफ पॉलीगॉन्स। लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, इंट्रोडक्शन, क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ पॉलीगॉन्स, area of some special polygons, area of a rhombus, area of a general quadrilateral, area of polygons. Now, introduction. We have learned that for a closed plane figure, the perimeter is the distance around its boundary and its area is the region covered by it. We found the area and perimeter of various plane figures such as triangles, rectangles, circles, etc. We have also learnt in this lesson, we will try to solve problems related to perimeter and area of other plane closed figures like quadrilaterals. Now, classification of polygons. Polygons are classified as per their sides or vertices they have. Look at the following chart. A. Triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Number of sides is equals to 3. B. Quadrilateral. A quadrilateral has 4 sides and consequently 4 vertices. Number of sides is equals to 4. C. Pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides and 5 vertices. Penta means 5. Number of sides is equals to 5. D. Hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides and 6 vertices. Hexa means 6. Number of sides is equals to 6. E. Heptagon. A heptagon had 7 sides and 7 vertices. Hepta means 7. Number of sides is equals to 7. F. Octagon. Octagon has 8 sides and 8 vertices. Octa means 8. Number of sides is equals to 8. G. Nonagon. Nonagon has 9 sides and 9 vertices. Nona means 9. Number of sides is equals to 9. H. Decagon. A decagon has 10 sides and 10 vertices. Deca means 10. Number of sides is equals to 10. No more. N-gon. A n-gon has n sides and n vertices, where n is equals to 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Now next is area of some special polygons. We will study here about the following figures. The shapes resembles a trapezium. How do we find the area of a trapezium? Let us learn how to deduce the formula to find the area of a trapezium. Let us perform an activity. Let B be the length of a longer parallel side of the trapezium and A be the length of the shorter parallel side of the trapezium. Let H be the height of the trapezium. Activity 1. Using area of parallelogram, take 2 congruent trapezium cutouts. Join the 2 trapezium to form a parallelogram by reversing one of them as shown. Observe that the new shape formed is a parallelogram whose base is B plus A and height is H. Twice the area of trapezium is equals to area of parallelogram. 2 into area of trapezium is equals to B plus A into H. Area of trapezium is equals to half of B plus A into H. Now activity 2. Using area of triangle. First, take the given trapezium ABCD and mark the midpoint of any one known parallel side, say BC. Second, join the midpoint of side BC and the vertex A of the trapezium ABCD. Cut along the dotted line. Rearrange the piece to form a triangle as shown. Observe that the new shape formed is a triangle whose base is B plus A and height is H. Area of trapezium is equals to area of triangle, that is equals to 1 upon 2 into base into height. Area of trapezium is equals to 1 upon 2 B plus A into H. Area of trapezium is equals to 1 upon 2 into sum of parallel sides multiplied by height. That is equals to 1 upon 2 into B plus A into H. This is the area of trapezium. Now example करते हैं. Example 1. Find the area of the trapezium in the adjoining figure. सॉल्यूशन करते हैं. We have A is equals to 8 centimeter, B is equals to 12 centimeter and H is equals to 4 centimeter. And we know that area of trapezium is equals to 1 upon 2 into A plus B into H. That is equals to 1 upon 2 into 8 plus 12 into H, 1 upon 2 into 20 into 4. That is equals to 40 centimeter. Now example 2. The area of a trapezium shaped field is 2080 centimeter square and the distance between its parallel sides is 36 centimeter. If one of the parallel sides is of length 104 centimeter, find the length of the other. Solution करते हैं इसका. Let the length of the required side be x centimeter. Here A is equals to x centimeter, B is equals to 104 centimeter and H is equals to 36 centimeter. And area given है 2080 centimeter. Then area of trapezium is equals to 1 upon 2 into B plus A into H. 2080 क्योंकि area क्या है given है, that is equals to 1 upon 2 into 104 plus x into 36. 2080 is equals to 104 plus x into 18. 18 कैसे? 2 1 जा 2, 2 8 जा 16. 104 प्लस x इज इक्वल्स टू 2080 अपॉन 18 क्योंकि यहाँ पे 18 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, अपोजिट साइड जाके क्या हो गया डिवाइड. नाउ x इज इक्वल्स टू 2080 अपॉन 18. x में 104 क्या हो रहा है प्लस, अपोजिट साइड जाके क्या हो गया माइनस. नाउ सॉल्व करेंगे इसको. x इज इक्वल्स टू एलसीएम लिया 18, 2080 माइनस 18 72, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 208 अपॉन 18, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 11.5. Now x is equals to 11.5. x कितना आ गया हमारा 11.5 centimeter. Hence the length of the other side is 11.5 centimeter. Now example 3. The lengths of the parallel sides of a trapezium are in the ratio 3:2 and the distance between them is 10 centimeter. If the area of the trapezium is 325 centimeter square, find the length of the parallel sides. Solution करते हैं. Let the common ratio be x, then the two parallel sides are 3x and 2x. Height of the trapezium is 10 centimeter. Area of trapezium given है 325 centimeter square. Formula लगाया, area of trapezium is equals to 1 upon 2 into b plus a into h. Value put किया 325 is equals to 1 upon 2 into 3x plus 2x into 10. 325 2 से यहाँ पे कैंसिल हुआ, 2 5 are 10, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 into 5, 5 अपोजिट साइड जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा या मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया इधर ही इन्होंने, 5 5 are 25. x की वैल्यू निकालेंगे 325 अपॉन 25 is equals to 13. 3x is equals to 3 into 13 is equal to 39. 2x is equals to 2 into 13 is equals to 26. So the length of the parallel sides are 39 centimeter and 26 centimeter. Now apply your learning. Find the area of the trapezium whose parallel sides are 12 centimeter and 18 centimeter and the distance between them is 10 centimeter. तो ये दोनों a और b की वैल्यू गिवन है, h गिवन है, फॉर्मूला लगा के आप इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. इसी तरह से बच्चों एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next is area of a rhombus. We will learn here to find the area of a given rhombus. Let us perform an activity. In the following activity, let D1 and D2 be the diagonals of the rhombus. Activity 1. Using area of parallelogram, take a sheet of paper and draw a rhombus ABCD and mark the diagonals D1 and D2. Cut the rhombus ABCD along AC. Rearrange the pieces to form a parallelogram as shown. इस तरह से. Observe that the new shape formed is a parallelogram whose base is D2 and height is D1 upon 2. Therefore, area of rhombus is equals to area of parallelogram, that is equals to base into height. Area of rhombus is equals to 1 upon 2 into D1 into D2. Now activity 2. Using area of rectangle, take a sheet of paper and draw a rhombus ABCD and mark the diagonals D1 and D2. Cut the rhombus ABCD along AC and BD. Rearrange the pieces to form a rectangle as shown. इस तरह से हमने इसको अरेंज कर दिया. Observe that the new shape formed is a rectangle whose length is d2 and breadth is d1 upon 2. Therefore, area of rhombus is equals to area of rectangle, that is equals to length into breadth, d2 into d1 upon 2. So, area of rhombus is equals to 1 upon 2 into d1 into d2. एग्जाम्पल करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल 1. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द रोम्बस इन द एडजॉइनिंग फिगर. सॉल्यूशन करते हैं. डायगनल्स गिवन है उसमें. डायगनल ऑफ रोम्बस d1 इज इक्वल्स टू 16 सेंटीमीटर. डायगनल ऑफ रोम्बस d2 इज इक्वल्स टू 12 सेंटीमीटर. सो एरिया ऑफ रोम्बस इज इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन 2 इंटू d1 अपॉन d2. 1 अपॉन 2 इंटू 16 इंटू 12, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 96 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. नाउ एग्जाम्पल 2. The area of a rhombus is 240 centimeter square. If one diagonal is 40 centimeter, find the length of the other diagonal. Solution करते हैं इसका. Length of one diagonal d1 is equals to 40 centimeter. Let length of the other diagonal be d2. Area of rhombus is 1 upon 2 into d1 upon d2. जो values given है रखेंगे. Area is 240, that is equals to 1 upon 2 into 40 into d2. Now 2 से cancel हुआ. 20. 240 इज इक्वल्स टू 20 इंटू d2. d2 की वैल्यू निकालेंगे, 20 अपोजिट साइड जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा. 240 अपॉन 20, सो d2 इज इक्वल्स टू 12. सो द लेंथ ऑफ द सेकेंड डायगोनल इज 12 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ एग्जाम्पल 3. द फ्लोर ऑफ अ बिल्डिंग कंसिस्ट ऑफ 86,400 tiles which are rhombus shaped. The diagonals of each rhombus measure 24 centimeter and 18 centimeter in length. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per square meter is ₹21. Solution करते हैं. In each rhombus, the lengths of the diagonals of the tiles are 24 centimeter and 18 centimeter. So, area of each tile is equals to 1 upon 2 into d1 and d2. That is equals to 1 upon 2 into 24 into 18. Solve किया, that is 216 centimeter square. एरिया ऑफ 86,400 टाइल्स इज इक्वल्स टू, ये तो हमारा एक टाइल का एरिया है. हमारे पास कितनी है? 86,400 टाइल्स. तो मल्टीप्लाई किया 216 से, दैट इज 18662400 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. कॉस्ट ऑफ पॉलिशिंग 1 मीटर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू ₹21. 1 मीटर स्क्वायर की कॉस्ट क्या है? 21. हमारे पास सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर है. देयरफॉर कॉस्ट ऑफ पॉलिशिंग इज इक्वल्स टू 18662400 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर है. इसको मीटर स्क्वायर में करने के लिए क्या किया हमने? 100 इंटू 100 मीटर स्क्वायर, राइट. मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. और 1 मीटर की कॉस्ट क्या है? 1 मीटर स्क्वायर की 21, तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 21, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू ₹39,191.04. नाउ एग्जाम्पल 4. The perimeter of a rhombus is 100 centimeter and one diagonal has a length of 30 centimeter. Find the area of the rhombus. Solution करते हैं इसका. Perimeter of the rhombus is equals to 4 into side of the rhombus. So 100 is equals to 4s. S की वैल्यू निकाली, that is 25 centimeter. Let d1 is equals to diagonal is equals to qs is equals to 30 centimeter. qo is equals to qs upon 2, हाफ हो जाएगा. 30 upon 2 is equals to 15 centimeter. Diagonals bisect each other at right angle. Now let us find the second diagonal of the rhombus. In right angle triangle QOR, using Pythagoras theorem, QR square is equals to QO square plus OR square. Value put किया, 25 square is equals to 15 square plus OR square. OR square की वैल्यू निकाला, 625 minus 225, that is 400. OR की वैल्यू निकाला, अंडर रूट किया, that is 20 centimeter. So PR is equals to 2 into OR, that is 40 centimeter. That is the diagonals bisect each other. Let PR is equals to D2. Hence area of the rhombus is equals to 1 upon 2 into D1 into D2. That is equals to 1 upon 2 into 30 into 40 is equals to 600 centimeter square. Now apply your learning. The area of a rhombus is 360 centimeter square. If the diagonal is 40 centimeter, find the length of other diagonal. फॉर्मूला लगा के आप इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. इसी तरह से बच्चों एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज एरिया ऑफ अ जर्नल क्वाड्रिलेटरल. In the previous cases, you have learned how to find the area of different types of quadrilaters. Now let us learn how to find the area of a journal quadrilateral. Area of a journal quadrilateral can be found by the method of triangulation. That is, a journal quadrilateral can be split into two triangles by drawing one of its diagonal. For example, let ABCD be a journal quadrilateral. Let D be the length of the diagonal AC and H1 and H2 be their perpendicular distances. Then we have area of a journal quadrilateral is equals to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. That is equals to 1 upon 2 AC into H1 plus 1 upon 2 AC into H2. That is equals to 1 upon 2 into AC into H1 plus H2. So area of triangle is equals to 1 upon 2 into base into height. So area of journal quadrilateral is equals to 1 upon 2 D under bracket H1 plus H2, where D denotes the length of the diagonal. Example करते हैं, example 1. Find the area of the quadrilateral whose diagonals measure 25 cm and their corresponding heights are 15 cm each. Solution करते हैं. Area of journal quadrilateral is equals to 1 upon 2 into D under bracket H1 plus H2. That is equals to 1 upon 2 into 25 under bracket 15 plus 15. That is equals to 1 upon 2 into 25 into 30. 750 upon 2 is equals to 375 centimeter square. Now example 2. The area of a field which has the shape of a quadrilateral is 360 meter square. The length of the height to one of the diagonals from the opposite vertices are 20 meter and 14 meter. Calculate the length of the diagonal. Easily कर सकते हैं. Solution करते हैं इसका. देखो, let D be the length of the diagonal. Let the height be H1 is equals to 20 meter and H2 is equals to 14 meter. Area of journal quadrilateral is equals to formula है हमारा 1 upon 2 into D under bracket H1 plus H2. जो भी values given है put कर देंगे. एरिया कितना गिवन है 360, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन 2 इंटू डी की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है अंडर ब्रैकेट 20 प्लस 14. 360 इज इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन 2 इंटू डी इंटू 34. 360 इज इक्वल्स टू यहाँ पे 2 से कैंसिल किया दैट इज 17. 360 इज इक्वल्स टू 17 डी की वैल्यू निकाली 360 अपॉन 17 दैट इज 21.176 मीटर. हैंस द लेंथ ऑफ द डायगोनल इज 21.18 मीटर अप्रॉक्सीमेटली. Now example 3. In a quadrilateral playground, the diagonals of length 52 meter divides the field into equal parts. The length of the altitude to the diagonal is 30 meter. Find the total cost to clear the play field at the rate of rupees 25 per meter square. Solution करते हैं इसका. Given diagonal length D is equals to 52 meter. And height says H1, H2 both is 30 meter. Area of the quadrilateral is equals to 1 upon 2 into D under bracket H1 plus H2. That is equals to 1 upon 2 into 52 under bracket 30 plus 30. Solve क्या? That is 1560 meter square. Right? Cost of clearing the play field is equals to area of playground into rate of per meter square. That is equals to area कितना आया 1560 into rupees 25. 1 मीटर स्क्वायर की कॉस्ट है 25, तो 1560 की कितनी है रुपीज 39,000. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज एरिया ऑफ पॉलीगॉन्स. लुक एट द फॉलोइंग पॉलीगॉन्स. Area of polygon can be determined by splitting them into triangles, special quadrilaterals. Now area of special quadrilaterals. Look at the adjoining figure. By constructing two diagonals AD and AC, the pentagon is divided into three parts. So we have area of ABCDE is equals to area of triangle ADE plus area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. MNOPQR is a hexagon. By constructing two diagonals MO and MP, the hexagon is divided into three parts. So we have area of MNOPQR is equals to area of triangle MOP plus area of triangle MON plus area of trapezium MPQR. एग्जाम्पल करते हैं, एग्जाम्पल 1. A surveyor has noted the measurements of a field in his field book as shown. Given that PC is equals to 110 meter, PA is equals to 30 meter, PS is equals to 200 meter, PD is equals to 160 meter, PB is equals to 70 meter. Find the area of that field. Solution करते हैं. From the given figure, we see that the field is divided into 4 triangles, 1 trapezium and 1 rectangle. Also from the figure, we can find the following measurements. AC is equals to PC minus PA is equals to 110 minus 30 is equals to 80 meter. CS is equals to PS minus PC is equals to 200 minus 110 is equals to 90 meter. DS is equals to PS minus PD is equals to 200 minus 160 is equals to 40 meter. BD is equals to PD minus PB is equals to 160 minus 70 is equals to 90 meter. तो इस तरह से हमने सारे measurements यहाँ find out किए. To find the area of the field, we need to find the sum of the areas of its parts, that is area of triangle APQ is equals to 1 upon 2 into base into height, that is equals to 1 upon 2 into 40 into 30, that is 600 square meter. Area of trapezium AQRC is equals to 1 upon 2 into H under bracket A plus B is equals to 1 upon 2 into AC into AQ plus CR. Value put किया 1 upon 2 into 80 into 40 plus 60, that is solve किया 4000 meter square. Now area of triangle CRS is equals to 1 upon 2 into CR into CS, that is equals to 1 upon 2 into 60 into 90 is equals to 2700 meter square. Area of triangle STD is equals to 1 upon 2 into TD plus DS, that is equals to 1 upon 2 into 25 into 40, that is equals to 500 meter square. Area of rectangle BLTD is equals to length into breadth, BL into BD is equals to 25 into 90, that is 2250 meter square. Area of triangle PBL is equals to 1 upon 2 into PB into PL is equals to 1 upon 2 into 70 into 25, that is 875 meter square. So area of the field is equals to 600 plus 4000 plus 2700 plus 500 plus 2250 plus 875 meter square. सबको ऐड किया, that is 10,925 meter square. Now apply your learning. The area of a quadrilateral is 140 centimeter square. The height on the diagonal are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Find the length of the corresponding diagonals. तो इसमें भी आप क्या निकाल सकते हो, इजीली आपको क्या दे रखा है, एरिया गिवन है, डायगोनल्स गिवन है, तो लेंथ आप इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो टू पुट द फॉर्मूला. तो इस तरह से बच्चों एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. आई होप आपको चैप्टर समझ आया. इसकी रिवीजन आप खुद कीजिए.